this Krypton Crunch just gave me the powers of Superman from Man of Steel the early years. Clark had to hide his powers, but you should use your powers to help people. This cereal also has vitamins and energy. And best of all, it tastes good. So go buy your Krypton Crunch, and when you're at it, go read the book.